What's up, guys? It's Tay Nelson, and I'm the guy that's gonna help you double, triple, quadruple your money, your income, your revenue on OnlyFans today. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a simple document that allowed us to generate over $700 in tips in the very first day. And I'm gonna show you how you can get instant access and get your hands on the exact templates we use to generate over $1,000 in the very first day. So, to be able to get the most money on OnlyFans, number one, you have to have a highly engaging, highly enticing profile, cover, and bio. It's the first thing that your fans, your potential customers will see. So this has to be enticing, it has to be well thought, and it has to describe what the customer is gonna get so that they actually want to purchase. Now, once you've done all that and your customer subscribes, there's this thing called a welcome message, and a lot of you guys on OnlyFans are not taking advantage of this welcome message. This is how you double your money here. First of all, you could double your money just by optimizing your cover, photo, and bios. Now, your welcome message is another way for you to double your money again, which is exactly why I said I'm gonna teach you guys how to double, triple, quadruple your money on OnlyFans today, because these strategies are overlooked. I've seen over 100 OnlyFans accounts, and over 90% of them are doing none of this stuff that I'm telling you right now. So if you're struggling on OnlyFans, pay attention right now. Your welcome message is how you're gonna get twice as much money on the back end. Your welcome message needs to be enticing. It needs to get your customers to want to spend more money and send you tips so that they can get access to more content. And we accomplish this with a simple template and a simple document that you could get your hands on today. So here's an example of the document that we use. It's a menu. And basically what happens is when someone subscribes, we send them this menu along with a nice note, and it basically says, hey, this is the kind of content that you're not gonna see on our OnlyFans, that you're only gonna be able to get if you pay more money. And so because we do this, we get messages like this. And because we do this, we get tips that look like this every single day. So if you're struggling to get tips, maybe you have a lot of subscribers, maybe you only have a very little, maybe you have 10 or 20, and you want to learn how to double your tips or triple your tips, click the link, get your hands on this template, edit it, customize it to fit the program that you have in place on your OnlyFans. Or hell, you guys could just copy ours. I don't care. But what I don't want to see is these low quality tip menus that look like this. Customers appreciate things that have nice aesthetics, which is why your cover photo, your bio, and your profile photo needs to be aesthetically pleasing, because this makes people think that you actually put time into your craft, and people are gonna appreciate it. They're gonna wanna give you more money. No one's gonna give you money for a pixelated photo. They're just not gonna do it. And no one's gonna tip you money if you have a shitty tip menu that looks like this. So don't do that. Click the link in my description, get your hands on my templates, my editable templates, and stop looking like a scrub on OnlyFans so that you could double, triple, quadruple your income on OnlyFans. My name is Tay Nelson. Get your hands on my templates right now. Go, right now. Stop what you're doing. Put the blunt down, put the cheeseburger down, put the drink down. Maybe don't put the drink down, but move it to your other hand, take your dominant hand, scroll down to the link description, click the button, get instant access to my editable templates, and start doubling, tripling your money on OnlyFans today. If you're watching this video and you stay to the end, you have no excuses why you shouldn't have 10 more fans within the next 7 days. So, my name is Tay Nelson. Get your hands on my documents right now. See you guys later.